Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andi in case you're new here, and today I brought you this crochet necklace and bracelet. Actually, they're much more easier and faster to be made than it looks like. Once you're done, don't forget to tag me on my other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram and show them to me. And don't forget to download my free ebook about the 7 crochet mistakes that beginners do and how to fix them fast. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. We will need to have the following materials for this project. We are going to use cord yarn. This one is a scrap yarn. I have already prepared different projects before from this. So this is more than enough for this project, actually much more than we need. And this one, I don't have the paper. This one is 3 millimeters. Then we will need to have a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, a yarn needle. This is a bit used up, but it's going to be completely perfect for this purpose. Then we will need to have an opener and 2 jump rings. We are going to start by making a slip knot. So have a look. We are going to insert 2 of our fingers, rotate it, grab the longer yarn and pull it. Insert the crochet hook and then chain 2. So yarn over, pull through 1, 2. Now we are going to insert the crochet hook into the first loop, grab the yarn, and then yarn over, pull through in both of the 2 loops. Now have a look. Here in the bottom, this is how it looks like. We're going to insert in this loop, okay? This was basically our second chain, okay? And we are inserting it here, and we are inserting it here. Rotate it, grab the yarn, pull it through. We created 2 loops here, yarn over and pull through in both of the 2. Perfect. Now it's going to be super easy. Have a look at these 2 little loops. We're going to insert in both of the 2, 1, then 2, grab the yarn, pull through in both of the 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through in both. Again, we're turning it on the side, and then we're going to insert in both, grab the yarn, and then yarn over, pull through in both. Again, we are turning it to the side. We're going to insert, grab it, and pull through in both. Again on the side. Get these 2, yarn over, pull through. We have the 2 loops, yarn over and pull over in both. Now you will see a very nice pattern is coming out, okay? I'm going to show you another 2 times. So insert, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over and pull over in the other 2. Again, rotate here on the side, pull through, insert it through in these 2 loops, pull through, yarn over and pull over in both. So we're going to continue like this. For the necklace, we need to reach from this point to 41 centimeters. For the bracelet, 19 centimeters. It's on the screen on the upper right corner. So you can pause the video, you can take a screenshot, and I'm going to wait you here once we are done, either with the 41 centimeter if you're preparing that, or for the bracelet 19 centimeters. I'm preparing in this one the necklace version. So I'm going to see you by the end of the 41 centimeter. So have a look, I am done with 41 centimeters here. Okay, now we need to finish it up. So going to chain 1, leave some tail, and cut the yarn. Now we can pull this out, tighten, add the yarn needle. So now we just want to make sure that it's holding nicely. We're going to make a couple of stitches. I'm going to start here. And I don't want to interfere with the pattern, so just trying to make between the stitches that wouldn't impact the view of the necklace or earring or bracelet, in case you're doing that. And once you're done, you can cut the excess yarn. Left here a tiny little piece. I want to make sure that I cut that off as well. Okay. And now we need to do the same on the other side as well. So we need to finish this up. Okay. Just the same way like we did before. And once we are done with both of the two sides, now we just need to add, for one of the side, we need to add the jump ring. And so I'm just gonna add one here on the very top, you see it. Just like this. I'm going to add this locker, going to hold it like this, and going to hold it like this and going to close it. Okay, this side is done, and then we are going to add the same exact way to the other side. One of these top chains, let's say, let me do with this one, just like this. Then I'm going to add and close. Okay. And then now the last thing is we are going to close this up. And have a look, this is the necklace, which is ready, and I have also prepared the bracelet version. I hope that you're happy with the result and then your necklace and bracelet turned out nice. Please don't forget to tag me on my other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram to show them to me. Also, don't forget to download my free ebook about the 7 crochet mistakes that beginners do and how to fix them fast. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. Thank you very much for being here with me today, and I hope I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial as well. Take care and see you very soon.